all of you in quarantine land. I hope you are all well and healthy and safe, and I hope you are all ready to drink because we're going to be talking cocktails today. My name is Morgan, and I am a director of food and beverage here at Salt Hotels, and me and my amazing team are responsible for some cocktails that you know and love at Sound Booth, which I'm at right now, As-Peary Ocean Club, and the As-Peary Lanes. Talking about one cocktail in particular, which is the As-Peary Martini. This is a staple on our fall and winter menu. It returns every single year. It's a personal favorite of mine, and I hope it becomes a personal favorite of yours once you learn how to make it. You're going to need a couple ingredients and a few tools for this. Ingredient-wise, you're going to need pear vodka. We use Grey Goose here, but use whatever tickles your fancy. You're also going to need ginger liqueur. We use Domaine de Canton here. You need some lemon juice and some pear puree. To get some pear puree, you can find it in the grocery store. There's a great version by Goya. You can find it in the frozen food section, or you can make some at home. Grab a pear, puree it with a little bit of sugar, and boom, you're ready to go. As far as tools, you're going to need a shaker, a jigger, some ice, and of course a martini glass. If you don't have these things at home, that's okay. You can use, a mason jar, any kind of cup with a lid, and you can also just use a measuring spoon. You can go free-handed if you want. Really, there are no rules in quarantine. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take our vodka. Like I said, we use Grey Goose here, 2 ounces of this. So we're gonna do 2 ounces into our shaker. And the next thing we're going to do is some ginger liqueur. Here we are, pretty little bottle here. And we're gonna do 1 ounce of this. So get that ounce in there. The next thing we're going to do is some lemon juice. Fresh squeezed is obviously always ideal. Fresher the better. Let's be real, we're all a little lazy right now. So the bottled stuff is just as good. So we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of this, and we're going to pop that into our shaker. And then the final thing we're going to do is our pear puree. So I have a very elegant cup here with our pear puree in it. So I'm just going to pop that in, and we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of that. The final thing you're going to need is some ice. Pop that into the shaker, and we're gonna put the top on. So to shake this, don't worry, none of us look glamorous when we're shaking. If you do, good on you. But you're gonna shake this for about 15 seconds pretty vigorously, and then we are going to put it into our martini glass. So get to shaking. Once you feel this tank get really cool, or you can see kind of a frost on it, that's kind of when you know you're done. The next thing is you're going to pop this off, and you're gonna pour it right into your glass. So I have my martini glass here, and I'm going to take a strainer, pour this right in there. I recommend having a chilled glass, but again, there are no rules here. You can garnish this with a lemon twist, a lemon wedge, candied ginger if you have. But if you don't feel like feeling fancy, you just feel like drinking, just drink it straight like this. It is delicious, I promise you. So I hope you guys have fun recreating this. Make sure to tag us if you do. I hope you are all well. I hope you are all being kind to one another. And most importantly, cheers. See you soon.